Welcome back to Chaos Core Tech. Today we're going to be talking about cupcakes. So this is probably going to be a pretty short video, but as most of you know if you've watched my recent videos, Chelsey has been trying her hand at modeling because she wasn't good enough at enough things already. And so just kind of as an exercise or practice, she modeled some cupcakes, and I think there's like 8 of them, right?
10.
There's 10 cupcakes that she modeled, and they have single material versions that we have over here, so you can just print a solid little cupcake, or there's also multi-material versions. She modeled these in ZBrush. She split them all up in ZBrush as well, exported them out, we sliced them up in Canvas, and then we printed these out using the Palette 2 Pro by Mosaic on our Prusa MK3. And then Chelsey chose these filaments. They're Polyalchemy Elixir. They're very shiny, and they just make these cupcakes look really, really cool. She also used those for the multi-material versions. And the good thing about frosting is even though there's a little bit of bleed here, it just makes it look like still tasty frosting. So we weren't originally planning on using these for any sort of video, so we don't have any modeling footage or print footage, but I just thought they turned out too good to not release and not make a video about. So if you want to get some of these for yourself, there's a link down in the description. She's, like I said, there's 10 different types of these. She's got a really cute unicorn one that you can see here. It's got frosting and unicorn horn and ears. She's got a version of the Hostess cupcake. This cupcake here that's got fruit on top of it, which is blasphemy if you ask me, but it looks cute. Another version of the unicorn cupcake that has little eyelashes on there. It's very cute. So these can be a fun thing to print a bunch of as like little party decorations or anything like that. And another great thing is that these are perfect models to print off for kids to paint. Something that can be done for like birthday parties and stuff like that. In fact, if you know Pyro Design, another 3D printing YouTuber here, I'll put a link to their channel down below. Their daughter Ari actually printed some of these and painted them. And she did an amazing job. I'll stick a picture up here so you guys can see what she did and a link to the tweet down below as well. So I'll have a little montage of pictures here that you guys can watch and kind of see what's out there. There are more than this that we haven't printed yet, so I will also put up some renders that Chelsey did in ZBrush. I don't know how to transition into it.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
Well, we're real happy with what was going on, and at the end of the day, you know, you got to be happy.
Alright guys, well there you go. I told you this wouldn't be a very long video, but thank you for sticking around to the end. Thank you for watching it. We really do appreciate it. And as a little bit of a sneak peek, you can pop over to our Twitter right now. I'll put both Chelsey and I's Twitter down there in the description, and you can see what this is, and you'll have a chance to actually print something and get it featured in our next video if you get over there in time. I think it'll take us like probably another 2 weeks to get that video out, so you'll have a bit of time to print it, but go check that out. Alright guys, well that's it for me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, get subscribed. We're hoping to start putting out videos a little more frequently, if I can talk. So click subscribe down there to see more of me stuttering, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time, keep creating.
And ring the bell, because otherwise you won't know that our videos have been posted, because YouTube decides to not tell anybody about the videos, and it's just really annoying. So just ring the bell. Okay, thanks.
I wouldn't cross her. I'd ring the bell. All right, bye guys.